Hello, friends. Good morning and good evening, everyone. This ALP here again. So, welcome, friends. This is a continuation to part one of web interview. So, here we are with our guest, Mr. Dinesh, again. So, let's watch this remaining part of this web interview. Yeah. So, at IIT Guwahati, is this like a exhibition type,
Okay.
or only you 35 people are working on it, or what it is the?
So only 30 teams will be there.
Okay, okay, okay,
It's not kind of exhibition. Like
okay,
30
okay.
teams and Robert Boss people
Mm-hmm.
will be there, and the Ministry of Road Transport. Some persons will be there.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, it was. Yeah, it
Okay.
was a great journey, and like we had like there itself, like some people countered our project, and they said that what is the difference between Google Maps and even we counted that a person who met with accident, he can't take his phone and send a message to hospital that I am in
Yeah,
that. So it's
that's
kind of
true.
accident alert system, and we are
Yeah.
trying to reduce the time between accident and the ambulance arrival time, so
Yeah.
that can
So,
save many lives literally.
yeah. So, okay.
Yeah,
It's a
and
very
like we
nice
did.
project, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, so like we did, and but the issue was like we were not able to proceed with the hardware. Like I assigned like two of my friends with hardware. I and my this main project is software only.
Mm-hmm.
Hardware part is just very less. Just it need to trigger the
That's it.
send the accident coordinates to the
Hmm.
server where this software will run. But yeah,
Okay.
they could not able to accomplish that. Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
software we did it, and we were finally able to send an alert to the medical aid within 53 milliseconds.
Okay.
So
Okay.
once accident takes place, and
Hmm.
so once we receive an alert at the server, so within 53 milliseconds, our software will process and it will send a this notification to the nearest ambulance and
Hmm.
the route how it should go. Everything we did, like we
Okay.
accomplished it. Next day was the results, and like many judges were there from Ola,
Hmm.
CTO from Ola,
Hmm.
and Ministry of Road Transport, Robert Bowles heads, and so yeah,
Hmm.
they all get in. Yeah, but yeah, so the time of results, like so they gave two types of results. One is like after second round, who are shortlisted in this 30
Hmm.
people who are the
Hmm.
top. So we were the top first in the 30 people,
Okay.
so we got a award for that.
Very nice.
And
Yeah.
then after third round, like they gave final results, like
Hmm.
there we stood fourth position actually. So
Hmm.
we could not able to, because of the lack of hardware, like they want complete prototype they expected. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, but still, like we were happy, like we got so much knowledge that
Mm-hmm.
like one of the main thing I came to know that Robert Bosch is famous in automotive industry, like they develop airbags. I came to
Mm-hmm.
know that airbag will open within a span of 300 milliseconds actually.
Okay.
And
Okay.
for a common man eye to blink and open, it will take 800 milliseconds. So that was the fact I came to know.
Mm-hmm.
And actually next day we planned a tour trip around Assam.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't know it was a coincidence or not, like we took one Zoom car vehicle, like but due to delay in one temple we got assigned with upgraded vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
So previously we booked one Baleno, and so this is one important story I want to tell. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
so then it got upgraded to Hyundai Creta. Like we
Mm-hmm.
fought and we said that you delayed, so you did not give our vehicle, so give best vehicle. So they gave Hyundai Creta in them. Next
Mm-hmm.
day, the roads in Assam were like very bad, and the transport system is very poor there. It's not much developed.
Yeah,
So
that's
we are
true.
going to a national park, which is scheduled one park at safari at 6 a.m. So we are
Mm-hmm.
traveling midnight at 2 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Like at 2:30 around like that. Like I was driving, like I myself was driving. I have 11 years of experience.
Mm.
Never I had any bad experience. But that day was like I am seeing one object. Like I am seeing that some object was there, some in front of me. And yeah, anyhow I reduced speed and I tried to overtake that object. So from right side, suddenly there was a very high bus with high beam coming on my face, so I suddenly turned left and applied brakes. But by the time I applied brakes, the object which I seen was a big truck which stopped in the highway. Like we went and hit that like that was a major accident, and like airbags came within 300 milliseconds. We observed it in.
Nothing
real
happened,
actually.
right? Nothing.
Yeah, no, nothing happened. That
Okay.
was really like God's grace.
Mm.
Like previous day only we had the importance of the seat belt. Why seat belt is actually so much importance, because it will directly connect to the chassis of the vehicle.
Yeah.
So it will direct connect to the chassis of the vehicle, so it holds. So actually, like we four people who are sitting back, we four kept the seat belts because of that day's effect of Robert Bosch.
Mhm.
So we kept four people. That literally helped us, because if you see that vehicle is like complete bonnet is damaged, it went. And
Mm.
luckily I was able to manage speed, and it was not high speed, like we were in 40 60
Mm.
when I applied brake. So even that
Okay.
airbags came, and that windshield also broke.
Mm.
So that was like a again shocked for us. And
It's a real
yeah,
time
we
experience.
like a real time experience that too
If you
after
have,
a, and we
if you
were.
have that hardware, some message also might be went to
Yes,
someone.
yes. And yeah, we thought that it was a coincidence. We came to a road safety project, and yeah, we
Yeah.
were using that and yeah, that was like the roads were like they did not kept any signs that
Yeah,
vehicle
that
is
different.
stopped
Yeah,
there.
that's it. Yeah, yeah.
So because of these things, and the previous day also same accident happened, it's in similar way.
Mm.
And we called police, and yeah, again Indian police, so always. So I don't want
Little.
to talk about bribes and
Yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah. It depends. Yeah, yeah.
Even though we did not do any mistake, like they charged us simply bribe of 30,000, like they blackmailed kind of thing. uh, so or they said that we will put a case against you, this that.
Mm-hmm.
uh, so yeah, but we thought that first we should go back to Harangal, whatever the cost maybe. So we went and yeah, we came back to Warangal, and yeah, we
Okay.
were like we were happy till that moment that we were achieved some weight. But this incident,
It
like
is
yes,
a
like what I want to tell
little
is
bit
like
strange.
in
Yeah.
life, yes, in life there will always be like whenever we have high positive, there is equal balancing negative also. Like whenever happy is there, sad also will be there. So we need
Yeah, yeah,
to accept the truths, and we need to move ahead. We can't sit
yeah.
at sad. And so after coming there, there was request from Robert Bosch that we need to submit, top 10 people need to submit the codes, everything. But
Mm-hmm.
my professor did not allow that. He said that if no need to, because they are not offering us any internships. And
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
because in future, if you want, like my professor said that on behalf of NIT Warangal, we can proceed for any
Submission.
officials
Mm-hmm.
proceeding for sub patents like that. So we did not submit. So that
Mm.
was the journey. And after 1 month, like I generally watch movies well, so I went for that movie Chitra Lari. Like I was
Mm.
shocked. Like my friend was telling, "Arey, this is your project. Like looks like, yeah." But the technique what they used, the concept what they used was a totally different concept. Like it was
Okay.
total nothing related to us. And
Mm-hmm.
whatever they said, they just have idea, but they did not have technical idea. That idea
Mm.
was like a wrong idea. It is
Mm.
just based on the rate of acceleration of deceleration of engine. So
Mm.
whenever suddenly engine got stopped, or a sudden rise is there, then they are triggering it. So
But in sudden rise, maybe due to no, intentional also.
intentional also, and sudden breaks also sometimes may be cause. So that also, yeah, they just had an idea. That's movies always will be
Yeah,
just
yeah. That's
limited to.
okay. That's okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I felt yeah, okay, good. Then times passed, and May 3rd onwards, I started my internship in GE Hyderabad.
Okay.
And again, like placement started from August in college,
Okay.
and like I generally do short films. Like yeah, I did one in BTech, and there was also one dream that I wanted to do in NIT as well. But because of placement tension, I did not do, because
Okay.
internship does not come from like offer,
Mm.
permanent offer. So in September, like that started, and my first company which I attended was Qualcomm.
Okay. Mm.
So Qualcomm, and yeah, I need to travel back to Warangal to write the written test. Again, I need to go back. So I
Mm-hmm.
came to write written test. Yeah, many people thought that yeah, for exams and all, I not used to prepare much. I don't remember much in for normal exams. Yeah, some stupid things I did in exams to get some score. I don't want to talk officially. Yeah, some small things like which every people does. So some of my friends were thinking that yeah, I somehow managed with CGPA, but somehow managed with getting internship. But they were sure that I can't get jobs that with big packages. I did not never cared because it's upon my talent, like which I need to work.
Mm-hmm.
So I attended Qualcomm and like I written test. I thought I am confident that I won't qualify because it's totally VLSA company and they take EC students,
That's generally
computer
that
science
is the
students.
trend. Yeah.
That is the time. The two power electronics they may take, but power systems is like totally away from that.
Yeah.
So I went back again to Hyderabad, that assuming that I won't get shortlisted. But next day immediately I was shortlisted, and again I need to
Travel
go back
back.
to work interview. So I thought that okay, let's try. So I went there again.
Mm-hmm.
So there was first round. I actually prepared VLSA. I took VLSA course online separately
Okay.
on my personal interest. But
Mm-hmm.
I that course was valid for 3 months. I took in May
Mm-hmm.
2019, but I
Okay.
did not complete till the day.
Okay.
Just before interview, 28 hours I have studied and completed some 60 to 70% of the course.
Okay.
And that day, by that day, validity also completed for that course. I
Mm-hmm.
tweeted to the CEO of that organization and startup, and I asked them to renew. Please renew me. I have interview. So much I did,
Mm-hmm.
but I did not utilize when I have time. Yeah. So then I went for first technical round. Yeah, they asked about digital electronics, and
Mm-hmm.
here also again I portrayed my hackathon challenge project as a primary.
Okay. Okay.
So like I whenever I speak about myself, I said that I'm passionate in working about this project, real time project.
Mm-hmm.
I moved that in that way
That's it. Yeah.
because
That's what we should do generally.
yes, whatever we know, we need to show them. It's not
Yeah. Yeah.
so like they also liked that concept, and I said that I'm willing to work with Qualcomm. Like this project is not there in the market, worldwide
Mm-hmm.
market. So if
Mm-hmm.
it comes into reality, it can save many lives, and it's a great business. Like
Yeah.
if I can get a chance to work like that,
Mm.
so like that it was done, and again some questions on digital electronics like that. But yeah, I understood that he was satisfied. But again, I was not expecting that I will qualify for next technical round. So, but I don't know. I was qualified for second round as well. So again, second technical round also, I started with same my project, the different person, but he
Mm.
was not interested in project. He was interested more into PLSI and stuff and
Okay.
deep
Okay.
digital.
Okay.
Yeah, I tried to again bring back to this project, but he's not convincing. Yeah, so yeah, I answering somewhat. I said that whatever I know, I
Mm.
said that this course I took, that course I took, I read this. He asked me that how many courses you will take. But yeah, partially I'm learning, not completed everything.
Mm-hmm.
So again, I said frankly that I really speak very frankly because I thought that okay, if I get because there is less chances of getting.
Yeah.
By that time like four people got shortlisted for technical round and two for technical two,
Mm.
and no one was getting shortlisted for HR. Even electronics guys were not shortlisting, and I was the first person who got shortlisted from for HR.
Okay.
Not even EC guys got shortlisted. Yeah,
Okay.
afterwards they got shortlisted, but in that sequence I was the first.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, HR I went. It was like just 2 minutes. He asked me
Mm.
like simply straight question. You are from power system, but we need. Do we have any certifications in VLSI or any degree of
Mm.
VLSI, or else we
Mm.
can't take?
Mm-hmm.
She was straight. I
Yeah.
really did not like that. I said that I was able to prove in my technical round one technical. She said that they both are different. We don't have any link between technical and HR. Like some
Mm.
companies, yeah, they don't care about the technical. Like HRs
Mm.
are like monarchs; they take subway decisions.
That's true. Mm.
Like I did not feel it correct because like company should grow means they should allow all kind of like whenever I cleared written test, I cleared technical round one, I cleared technical. They should understand that something is there in me,
Yeah.
and they
Yeah.
should give a
Yes. Yes. That should give some priority also. Technically, they are okay.
they should think okay why this guy when this guy has came from another multidisciplinary branch electrical, he is learning and coming means like if we give opportunity so they can. Okay, then I was done, and when the results came, like my like 16 people went for HR, and like 12 were shortlisted. Finally, I was not there.
Okay.
in that.
Only thing,
Yeah.
you are at the branch triply they didn't choose in. Only they may be chosen
Yes,
EC
that was a main
power
point
system
actually.
that
So
particularly they may not be chosen.
yes, power system. Yeah.
Yeah.
So everyone was electronics and computer science.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was, yeah, a bit dissatisfied, and but still I took one of my friend and I took I said that, Chala, I will give one party to you simply. Like that, we went to movie, we ate biryani, and we
Yeah,
came back
very
because
nice.
like no use of
Yeah.
getting
That's fine.
satisfied.
That's yeah.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
because my time also will come, so I waited.
Mm-hmm.
Again, next company was actually GE only, GE Healthcare and GE Power. And
Okay.
the bad luck was GE did not allow power systems. They allowed power electronics, but they did not allow power systems. Like I spoke even in officials in Hyderabad that why you are not allowing. They said that we will allow, but we won't take. So this time they don't have requirement, and that time GE was in huge loss, so they were
Mm.
not having more requirement.
Okay.
So GE generally offer Edison engineering program. So
Okay.
that was
Okay.
my dream actually. Edison engineering program is like a prestige program. They
Mm.
take Edison engineers program as well full time. So what
Okay.
this program is like, this will be for 2 years, and
Mm-hmm.
for every 6 months we will be working in one particular rotation, one team. So like
Okay.
that, 4 teams we will be changing.
Okay.
So after 2 years, we can offboard into the team which we like.
Okay. Okay.
We also do some courses, and they will take us to US for trainings. So this was
Mm-hmm.
one, but they take very limited students in US and India, like kind of. But let's say it is like, I was like that day I really felt so much bad that here also I missed that opportunity of Edison program.
Mm.
So then next second company was that Micron Semiconductors. I kept a target that above 8 lakhs only I will apply. Below 8 lakhs
Okay.
I don't want to apply.
Okay. Okay.
So Micron Semiconductors was there. So there also I wrote written test again, same story. I came back, but again I shortlisted. I went back to Warangal, and in here first round itself they said that you are power system, we don't want electrical.
That is the
Without
problem.
interviewing only they said.
Mm.
Then I said I really was tripped there. I said that, then what is the reason why you are shortlisting for interview?
Yeah. Then why they
Because I am
should?
coming from far place. It's difficult for us. So much mental pressure will be there.
That is one of the main
So yeah,
situation
they
the
decided to,
companies has to look actually. They should not
yeah.
call all
So
other
after so much
people.
of
Mm. Yes.
so
Yes.
much of discussion, they forwarded me to another panel where digital will be there. Yeah, they tried to remove me. They have kept that intention to eliminate me. So they asked very tough questions which I would not be able to answer as the electrical guy. Yeah, simply I were rejected. Yeah, again came back. So that
Mm.
day, yeah, still, and like, yeah, by this movement, like my parents were thinking that, yeah, because of some situations from 2017, I was having continuous failures in all PSUs. I was coming till near, I'm retarding back, not able to, like, they kept some expectations in me that I will get good PSU or government job,
Mm. Mm.
or,
Mm.
but I was not able to crack big job, big NITs, IIT. So again, like before BTech, they had that expectation and I did not make them satisfied. So I satisfied them in BTech by getting gold medalist. I kept that target. Okay, then they were in good mood. Yeah, typical, like, yeah, it's all Indian parents, like,
Yeah, that's
many don't
true.
believe in
Yeah,
results.
whoever may be.
Results.
Mm.
Yeah, many I observed that even my parents, I'm frankly, yeah, they supported me at the time, but when I'm down again, I don't know, they are like in down, they lost belief in me that why I could not able to
Mm.
crack or like that.
Mm.
So finally, like what happened, like my father said me that you can go ahead and attend for 5 lakhs companies, like no need to only sit for 8 lakhs package,
Mm.
like that. So yeah, I also could not oppose him because since 1.5 year I'm on big failure. So uh, I applied for one company called FCA, Fiat Chrysler Autom, like in Collins Aerospace.
Okay.
That exam I literally written with very least negligence, how high form of negligence I written.
Mm.
So I wrote and I literally went away to Hyderabad immediately. I did not even wait for the result.
Mm.
Unfortunately, I got shortlisted for that as well, even though I wrote very badly.
Mm.
Like that day, I decided that if I'm going to attend this company, I am going to get this company for sure because it is below 6 lakhs. Life will always do like that. Whenever we reduce our goals, we need to compromise with that.
Yeah.
So I thought that, okay, I need to take a call. I said to my placement coordinator that I'm not going to come. He's my friend. You tell me that I'm suffering, admitted with accident, something like that. But the problem is if I don't attend without a proper reason, they will get me banned from placement. So
Okay.
he helped me literally. Thanks for my friend Sadanand. Like he somehow managed.
Mm-hmm.
So next company was like there was one company called GE Transportation.
Okay.
This particular company only goes for IITs,
Mm-hmm.
but what happened is it is acquired. It is merged with another company called Waptec Corporation.
Okay. Okay.
GE Transportation, a Waptec company. They
Mm-hmm.
actually came in August to our college, but my college did not respond well, so they went away to another college. Again,
Okay.
my friends called my placement coordinator called them. He somehow arranged, but they
Okay.
said that only computer science profile is there. That too, only one profile is there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, like one or two profiles we may take. Only
Okay.
computer science students.
Okay.
They said that we can't allow electronics as well.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, my friend said that okay, he's a placement coordinator from Power Systems. So
Okay.
yeah, GE Transportation, a Webtech company, it came. So they conducted written test, but he managed to allow Power Systems and Power Electronics just for namesake.
In a intern in a for written exam.
For written exam, for written test.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought that okay, I will give a try. Many companies I'm trying. So anyhow, I was in college at that time for some
Mm-hmm.
review.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I did not lose hope because that is also again Edison program.
Yeah.
That is
Mm-hmm.
also my last hope, I thought.
Yeah.
So, but still, anyhow, they strictly said that it was computer science profile. They want computer science students.
Mm-hmm.
So I wrote the exam and 25 questions. All you don't believe there is no aptitude, no electrical, no electronics, nothing. Only computer science, only programming, and only C, C++, and some operating systems. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Like, yeah, I wrote that exam like. But it was it's like luck or what I can say, like my goodwill in my past that I got shortlisted for interview,
Okay.
and I thought that okay, this is normal technique. They will anyhow reject me finally.
Your
So like
experience is showing.
uh, the experience is like every time I used to call my father and I will tell that I shortlisted first round, I shortlisted second round, I rejected in final. So that day also I said that I shortlisted first round, but don't keep hope. Don't tell to mother also. So anyhow, I will get rejected. So
Mm.
again, why to keep hopes? So I went in first round. They called me last in the first round. First they interviewed computer science, next electronics, next
Yeah.
after power electronics, then me. I was the last person in first round.
Mm-hmm.
So they were asked. So I went and I said that I have one confession that I am from electrical power system and doing internship in GE. And previous companies has cited me that you are working as an intern in GE. If you get opportunity there, you will
Mm.
not join our company. So how to
Yeah.
believe you? I used to
Mm-hmm.
tell that, yeah, I will be truthful to the company who gave me first opportunity. I
Mm.
will be truthful. So here I said myself that see in GE internship they did not confirm me offer, and previously two companies rejected me just by saying that I am electrical engineer.
Yeah.
And you have said that you are from computer science profile. If you want to reject me in this round. I don't know how much dare I am having. I have spoken literally like this because please keep that in because it's kind of affecting mental situation. Going till HR telling that I am from electrical rejecting. I
That's
said that
true.
okay. He was actually young person a bit. So no problem. Like it's not like that. We will consider that. And when I said that I am working in GE as an internship, yeah, they took that a bit into consideration. It was some good point,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
and he also again I started with my project. I mentioned that it last. I thought that okay, if I tell about internship, they will think that I will join there. I will not join here. So I started with that hackathon project again. That gave me life as always. Uh, so
Yeah.
that was the best project. Like they were impressed and they asked the technicalities in it. Finally, he gave me one aptitude question. I solved it, and he asking me to solve it, try different way. Because he said that why I'm asking you to multiple ways because my next question will be like you need to write a program which will generate this aptitude series.
Okay.
So I wrote a program and I said that he asked me about what programming skills. I said only C again. But I'm starting learning C++, but
Mm.
I'm not confident in C++ because I'm able to write algorithm. If I know algorithm, like syntax is not a big
Yeah,
thing.
that's true. That's true. Yeah.
So, and I came out again. I was like, okay, anyhow, I will get rejected. But this was difficult. That after lunch, second round is going to start, and I was the first person who called for the second round. Okay, and here there is no HR. It is managerial round and HR. There is no
Mm-hmm.
particular HR, and
Mm-hmm.
both were technical managers only. This was
Okay.
the final round actually.
Okay. Okay.
So this was the best experience I want to share with everyone. Like I went there and they started asking me like, oh, like very relaxed way, uh, asked me about internship. How was your day in internship? I said that I frankly said that I used to go to office at 11:30,
Mm.
and I used to do some work, previous mails, and afternoon everyone used to take 1.5 hour break, but I used to take half an hour break. So then they were thinking that okay, I'm also a routine guy, telling that I do more work. But I said that after half an hour I used to sleep in office. Like there is one room where we can take rest
Yeah.
because I am having some migraine issue. So he said that you are sleeping in office, like is it possible? I said that where do you sleep, man? Like they were like chill, very relaxed. They were like very relaxed.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So again, like that, it happened, and
Mm-hmm.
Smriti, are you able to hear me? I'm not able
Yeah.
to.
You are. Yeah. Yeah. Proceed.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Okay.
So like again, I was telling that I am sleeping. I sleep. I take rest at office. I said that evening I will complete my work by 5:30. I will leave by 6 o'clock to home back. Then they asked me one question like, if you tell like this, like,
who,
do you
who will
think
select? Who will select you?
like that? I said that if I tell that I'm coming at 9 o'clock, and if I'm go taking half an hour lunch break and I'm going at 8:30, suppose I got selected. If I don't do that in Bangalore when I got selected, it will be a very awkward situation for me, and I don't want to like do a fake thing because I'm completing work and I'm going. If there is work, I will stay till 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. If there is no work, then only I'm going. So I'm completing my work. Yeah, like he said that, and some of the things in interview, like they said that you understood business well, literally like that. Like and the way you are speaking is literally good. And they asked about C++, and I said that I am only comfortable with C and learning C++.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So it was very great experience, and we came for computer science profile. I explained them like he asked like previous company's experience. I said that everyone is citing me that I am from electrical, and they want different their profile, and even this company also said that computer science
Only
profile,
computer science only.
computer science, and everyone tells that I am from
Mm.
GE. I don't join there if I get an internship full time. I
Mm-hmm.
said that. So they asked that yes, we are also asking same question. If you get internship converted into full time, then which company you will join? These are the. I
Mm.
said that I will join this company for sure because I will be truthful to the company which gave me opportunity first.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. It was a 45 minutes big discussion. Like
Yeah.
so I
Yeah.
came back,
Yeah.
and every other discussion was like 15-20 minutes.
Mm.
And finally, like one guy placement coordinator was there. He used to see me for every company. So I used to select first for HR. I will get rejected. He said that, bro, you do some magic. You should get selected today. And he was coming towards me, and I was standing beside me. Beside me also there was one guy from Power Electronics. He's also very good, competent for
Okay.
me. So I was not going. He came and he hugged me, and he said that, bro,
He's
finally you are
selected.
selected, bro. Selected. That was like
Very nice.
blank and magic moment for me. Like
Yeah.
literally
Congratulations.
unexpected. Yeah. So and like CTC was also like best in the market. Like
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
like I can tell my CTC, like it was in 10 lakhs CTC plus 2 lakhs
Okay.
joining bonus.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
it was good and best in the market, and I reached my target of 8 lakhs. I'm satisfied, and that too, dream of GE, working in GE, and that too
Yeah.
Edison program. Like every dream just became true in one particular moment, and I was like no speech at that moment, and I went out, and that was like I generally take so much tension, mm, uh,
Yeah.
and I was the first person who got selected for internship in my class, even though being a low gate scorer. And again, I am the first person who got placed in campus placement in whole class. I
Okay.
can like
Okay.
proudly tell at that, even being a lowest gate score in my class, and I conclude that there is nothing like gate. Gate is just a
Yeah.
platform.
Just
So
say entry to the institution. That's it. The
entry to the institute, like it all matters is what you do and what you can do.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Literally, so that was
Yeah.
the thing. And by that day, like everything, like I did not tell to my parents, I want to tell it directly. And there was Telangana bus strike going on, and midnight, yeah, I gave treat to my friends, and I took bus. It was huge rain, and the early
Yeah.
morning, I came to home.
Yeah.
I came to home, and my
Surprise.
father was sitting. Like previously, I came to home because
Many
of one
times.
other issue suddenly. That was not a good reason. So
Mhm.
they were thinking that I came again for that issue, so they were fearing. But this time they were like, I said that I am placed in GE. They were like too happy. That moments was like
Yeah.
very great moments. And like I went to three of my close relatives in Bangalore and Chennai directly. I took car and we went, even to my sister, your
Yeah.
classmate in
Yeah.
Chennai. They live in Chennai.
Yeah.
We went there, and I said my directly, and yeah, that was a great feeling actually.
Very nice.
So this was my placement journey throughout campus, and then I
Yeah.
started working on my short film. I started immediately on my passion, because I don't want to lose my passion just because of
Yeah.
my
That's
job.
true. That's true.
And I'm parallelly managing my project as well. Like my guide literally supported me in many ways,
Okay.
because
Okay.
whatever the work I am doing is not exactly power system, but still he gave me confidence and belief
Yeah.
that
In
we
colleges,
we
guide
can
matters
fight.
a lot for the projects.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, and he is
Mm.
like kind of inspiration for me. And we
Yeah.
completed almost 90% of the short film, and suddenly world got shattered with this COVID situation, and my internship also converted to COVID. And again, tension started because the job they stopped hiring.
Mhm.
So it was March 30, and by April, April 29, my internship got ended, and we were not able to complete short film. That was one thing. And last days of college were missing in the campus. We are not
That's
able to
true.
stay,
That's true.
and joining got delayed. They said that 6 months it will be delayed, but luckily we got in September 14, 2020. And
Yeah.
convocation also we missed. So everything got missed, and job joining first days also we missed in office. But still, yeah, we need to fight because these are unprecedented situations.
Yeah. 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 That's
Life
true.
is a big journey, so we need to fight.
Yeah, it's
So now I'm a
very nice, Dinesh. The journey, entire journey, it's one kind of. We should not stop at any particular instant. If you stopped it, then
yes,
you may be somewhere else. Yeah, the
yes, exactly.
so somehow you forecasted and you went all the. One good thing is for every exam you cleared it.
Yes,
Whatever the exam you
yes,
are attending for the companies, yeah, that also that comes due to the efforts you kept in the entire your previous
yes, yes.
education.
We should not leave hope at any point. Like the
Yeah,
one
yeah,
just point I want to tell that, I always have a point this that like we need to share our knowledge to many people, whatever
yeah,
is can. I have this habit since my BTech. I'm sharing my knowledge or education. Like many of my friends will come to my home study. Like we enjoy. Like
yeah.
I am habituated literally with studying like that. I can't study alone actually.
That's true.
I'm like
That
without
yeah, yeah.
friends. So I started in that 3 months gap. What I did is my juniors were there. Like some of juniors, like most, some people who are from south states, they did not have much handling skills of interviews, but they are very
Yeah,
talented.
yeah,
So I
yeah.
thought that I need to take some call. So I have selected some 5 juniors, and I started teaching them C and VLSI, because I have dreamed that at least electrical guys should also get VLSI companies because I did not get. So I started teaching them VLSI
Okay.
since start. Like
Yeah.
yeah, they were like working. So daily we used to connect. I used to teach. They used to do assignments, and yeah, two got internship, and one more guy. That was guy. He was his Pradeep was there. He got internship in an NXP Semiconductors, which was a pure
Okay.
VLSI company, and
Okay.
he
Okay.
that company selected only this guy. He was a purely power system guy, and he
Okay.
was like, yeah, whenever he said that, bro, really thankful to you. I don't know that VLSI, that I thought that only power system will be there, but you said about, gave awareness, you taught, you maintained this,
That's true.
and that feel when we like when they are happy with our guidance, like that's more than like that money also won't give. I was personally what I
Yeah.
felt. And
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
recently he called me one day and he said that I got a full-time offer in NXP Semiconductor with a package of 13 lakhs, which is more than me. Yeah, still like I'm literally happy that yeah,
It's
my
very
like
nice
the
there.
people who I'm guiding
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
are like he was very satisfied, that because he was like at a 6.9 CGPA, he thought that cracking is difficult, electrical companies, but he cracked the VLSI. But yeah, they worked a lot, like
Yeah. Yeah. No.
whatever my motivation, my awareness, like they worked themselves a lot, because without their efforts, like they can't achieve.
That's true. That's true.
Like it was a very happy moment that out of five, three of them got more than like 10 lakhs package. As of now, like I like after that, some of juniors also like started asking me, you can guide us. Like that was a daily program, like kind of super 30, like a super 5 I'm organizing. And I
Yeah.
asked them only one favor in return, that only you should also same guide your juniors in the
That's
same
true.
way,
That's true.
at least one or two. It should flow as a chain,
That's yeah.
because
Yeah.
they won't be having awareness. Like we should not get confined to only electrical companies. There are many
Yeah.
opportunities. Why can't electrical students get computer science jobs or
Yeah.
VLSI jobs? It's not only written somewhere in the rule that only for computer science we should know.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
all about, yeah, this is my journey, Lakshman.
Yeah, Dinesh, it's a very inspiring journey. Yeah, the people whoever
Yes,
watch this video, they also get a benefit a lot. And you have different
yes,
hardships in the entire process, and somehow
yes,
with your skills and your whatever the understanding you have, you just overcome all the hardships, and so you finally the GE, your transportation, right? Your Edison program, whatever you
yes.
are here. So it's also very amazing. Yeah. So how is the journey now? I mean, this the your job experience now. So how you are feeling?
Yeah, so my job experience is a really good. Like presently I'm in my first rotation. Like I am
Okay.
working as
Okay.
a DevOps engineer in. So it's
Okay.
purely software profile. Even I am also interested in software profile,
Yeah.
because I
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
experience in electrical. I want to try into
That's
software
true.
domain.
Okay.
So I'm satisfied with this, and now in July I'm going to shift my rotation. Like I'm going to
Okay.
take a full stack developer. So again, shift in from
Yeah.
DevOps I have experience, and now I'm going to software development in
Okay.
PA.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So it was really good experience, and company wise, it's a ultimate company. Like the
Yeah.
flexibility and the
Yeah.
guide,
Yeah. That's true.
guidance, and the
So
manager also
this will
really
continue
good.
for 2 years, right? I mean, for 2 years you are
Yes,
going to keep
2 years.
on rotation. From
Yes,
after
rotation.
that, you are going to fix for particular one.
Yes, along with this, in 2 years, we need to write TOEFL and we need to apply for one University of Penn State in USA.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
need to
Okay.
do one graduate degree program.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
also we need to complete as part of this. Yeah, company will take care of every other costs,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
and some leadership trainings will be there. So these
Yeah.
are the
Yeah.
part of this program.
Okay. Okay. Is there any agreement with the company for 5 years you should serve in
Oh
GE?
no, no,
Uh,
no, no
okay.
agreement, no
Yeah.
agreement, no
Okay.
bond actually.
Generally, no one will leave such a good company. That's true.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's very nice, Dinesh. A lot of things we covered in today's video. Yeah, I hope this video
Yeah,
is
maybe
lengthy,
I stretched
but
so much.
yeah, no
Yes,
issue. No,
yes,
it's
yes.
very, even though it seems a little bit lengthy, but it's a very detailed discussion. I will post like two different parts, and this is not
Yes,
the end. We are going to do many more such videos also in the future. I didn't touch it more
Yes.
things about your SMPS project and all. I will make
Yes.
separate thing on that. This is particularly the job profile. I mean, how you got your job. That's what the main intention of this discussion. Thanks, Dinesh. Thanks for your time and discussion. Yeah.
Yeah. So finally, to conclude, yeah, I feel Lakshmipati that I have guided many people in my journey. Like I can
Yeah.
proudly say that that is one achievement I had, that I'm
Yeah.
strong in guiding that. But one thing we need to remember, like the reason why I have said this much lengthy is that everyone should think that everyone's life will be having some hardships and they can overcome. Obviously, there is a
That's it.
time they
That's
need
it.
to wait, but they need to keep effort. So
Yeah. Yeah.
so
Yeah.
this gate, and even though they did not, they are a 6.5 scorer in BTech, that does not matter.
That's it.
What
That's
you
it.
do, what you work is what matters. Yeah, I'm
Yeah. Yeah.
concluding with this
Yeah.
saying.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah,
Bye. We will meet in next video. Thanks,
yeah.
dear.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the content. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then do subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications whenever I'm uploading videos. If you have any questions or comments or anything, then comment in comment section. The contact details of the guest of our video, Mr. Dinesh, I already provided in the description. So you can connect with him also if you wish. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Bye.